Looking for a machine that allows you to perform quality embroidery and sewing tasks at the same time? Let's start by talking about the embroidery features. The Alfa Combo includes 250 designs and 7 font styles, as well as 16 frames to combine 2 or 3-letter monograms. You can control your machine through the Easy Creator app and send designs from the app via Wi-Fi or add them via USB. The app is very easy to use and includes additional frames and patterns, allowing you to achieve high-quality embroidery. The machine includes 3 embroidery hoops and a removable spool holder. To switch to sewing mode, follow these steps. Replace the embroidery unit with the free arm attachment. Change the needle plate. The sewing plate has 2 holes instead of 1. And finally, change the embroidery presser foot to the sewing presser foot. The Alfa Combo has an automatic needle threader, 746 stitches, and 4 sewing alphabets. The stitch width is variable up to 7 millimeters, and the stitch length up to 5 millimeters. You can control the speed manually or with a foot pedal. The machine also features a start/stop button, an automatic lock button, a thread cutter button, double presser foot height, and 5 LED lights. Finally, it includes an extension table for sewing. And a complete set of accessories stored in a compartment. Make the most out of your Alfa Combo.